God bless you, Social Cam, my friends. I'm Bishop Jackson. I am tremendously and ecstatic and excited about all things that God's doing. I've told many of you that our television network is getting ready to take place. This is not just, I'm talking about some internet-based television networks. This is an actual conglomeration of multiple television stations. And it's an awesome thing, as well as it will be available for you online and through various devices in your home and through Dish and all of that good stuff. I'm excited about what God has promised us. It's not regular television. The inspirational television is called the Inspired TV, and it's not like anything else that you've ever seen. This is actual television with reality shows, a combination. I believe that if we're going to win souls, the Bible said the man that wins souls is wise. And so we can't push Jesus down that road, but a morally sensitive television that will attract audiences of diversity, whether white, black, Hispanic. But one of the great things is that we're going to be featuring multiple channels. So it will allow you all to try our Spanish, our music, and our religious station, which gives preaching and ministry. And then there's a music channel that has gospel as well as Christian, but secular music as well. Because remember, we've got to bring the vehicle to attract the world to being able to win Christ. I know I'm going to get some talk about this kind of stuff because they say you're doing some crazy stuff. Well, yeah, I am. But the Bible said the man who wins souls is wise, and we've got to do it. I want you praying for us. This is a great endeavor. Our FM radio station, we're working on the details of it. You'll be hearing more information about it and us purchasing some FM radio stations that will allow the vision to happen to do a radio network in basically small towns throughout the United States. We're not focusing on the big cities. We're focusing on the people, some smaller areas. Some of the great preachers out there, they're doing a tremendous work already, and we're not going to reinvent the wheel. They've got big cities taken care of. We're going to the people that people have forgotten about. So I'm excited about God. It's our season to explore. It's our season to reach the lost. Pray for me as you pray with me as we do the Lord's work. God bless you.